Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. This week we're going to look at doing a DIY diaper cake. Just in case you have a baby shower coming up for yourself or any friends or family. It just so happens that I have a niece that is getting ready to have a baby girl, and for her baby shower I wanted to do something really special. Well, it was actually technically my mom's idea, but we put it together. It came out really cute and it's easily customizable. You can buy decorations from any store that's near you. Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. It's really up to you on how you want to customize it. It's so fun, so easy to do. It just takes a little bit of time. I hope you guys enjoy it and I'll see you at the end. So here are the materials that I used. I did end up trading the glue dots out for the hot glue gun because they just did not work for this craft. I started by using this empty paper towel roll and gluing it to a serving tray that I got from the Dollar Tree. I ended up using E6000 just for a sturdy hold. And then I went ahead and I wrapped some tissue paper around the base of it just to make it a little more sturdy and to fill up the inside a little bit. You just go ahead and start taking the diapers and roll them up. And really, that's all there is to this, is take a diaper, roll it up. You'll want to put a rubber band around the top of it just to keep the roll intact until you get to your first layer. Then once you go ahead and tie your ribbon around the whole outside, then you can go ahead and remove the rubber bands. That way you don't see those in the project. Now that's the first layer of the cake finished. Rubber bands have been removed. Looks really good to me. So here I just started repeating the process with the second layer, going round in a circle, adding more diapers, adding the rubber bands, making sure the circle was uniform, and there's the second layer. Went ahead and did the third layer, and then did a fourth. You just keep repeating for how many ever layers you need. Now this is where you'll see me trying to use the glue dots to get the ribbon to stick. But like I said, it just did not work for me. It wasn't a tight or secure hold. And every time I thought that it would hold, it would pop off, causing the outside big ribbon to just fall off. So what I did end up using the glue dots for was to just give a little bit of an extra hold to the big ribbon, to that main ribbon that holds the diapers together. That was really all that they were about good for, to be honest with you. So yeah, here is where I decided, nope, these glue dots were not working. It was not a secure hole, and I had to get the handy dandy hot glue gun. It doesn't take very much to secure it, and you want to be really careful, A, not to burn yourself, and B, not to get the hot glue onto the diapers, because remember, you do want the mother-to-be to be able to utilize the diapers for the baby when the baby gets here, you know. So here's the finished product with the first layer of ribbons wrapped around, covering up the ribbon that secures the diapers in the circle. It's really cute at this level, but then you want to go in with your actual decorations. Most of the decorations I have that I used on this cake, I again got from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is actually my go-to place for most of my decorations or things that I use in my DIYs because it's inexpensive and normally it's of really good quality. So here I just used the snot removal tool to go into the middle of the diaper cake at the top, and that's also where I ended up attaching all of my ribbons from. It just made a really pretty cascade waterfall effect once I ended up curling the ribbon and letting them just fall down the cake. Again, I used the hot glue gun to secure the small ribbon. And here's the finished product. This diaper cake looks amazing. For me, since my niece is having a girl, I definitely want to deck it out in pinks and purples and yellows, all really girly colors, and just really play up the fact that another little future princess slash warrior is coming into the world. I really like how it turned out. I think that it is very aesthetically pleasing, and it will also end up being a very practical gift so that she can utilize the diapers and the little tool at the top of the cake for the baby. The little baby blocks and the ribbon, again, were from the Dollar Tree. Really cute, small, minor touches that just took this project over the top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY this week. Like I said, it's really sentimental, and it's a great project that you can do for a loved one who's getting ready to become a mother. I really hope you guys try doing the DIY diaper cake because it's so fun, so customizable, and it can be a really sentimental piece to the baby shower. The other great thing about it is that it's full of things that the mother-to-be can actually use when the baby gets here, and so it's practical as well. I hope you guys have checked out the other videos that I've uploaded on my channel. Actually, right behind me, you can see one of them, the DIY shoe wall. It was the very first video that I posted. I feel like that was my favorite one to date. The other great thing is that I have a lot more DIYs coming at you. So definitely stick around, join the DIY club, hit that subscribe button, make sure you like, share, and comment below. If you guys have any DIYs that you want me to take a crack at, put it in the comment box below. Make sure you check out all the descriptions. Go to my pages, Facebook, Instagram. Leave me a note saying you guys are from YouTube. That would be really great. I'd love to see who all are following me across the different platforms. Thanks for joining me, and hope you guys have a great week. I look forward to seeing you guys next week, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.